We're going to be walking through how to make your own garden hoops from some PEX as well as some rebar. This is the cheapest way I think you can do this because this stuff costs a grand total of 37 cents per foot. This stuff costs $4.37 right now from Home Depot for a 20-foot section. And so the first thing I'm going to be doing is cutting my rebar. I'm going to want 24-inch sections, so I can have 12 inches below ground and 12 inches above. To make the pieces that just clip on to hold the netting on the 1/2-inch plastic lines, what I do is I take some 1/2-inch drip tubing and I cut it, and it can be, call it 2 or 3 inches like that. Then I take my utility knife, and then I'm gonna be careful when you do this, but you hold it down on the ground. I'm just going to push the utility knife through it. Okay. So now we've got a little clip that'll open up that we can use to grab onto our hose, and it'll hold the netting in place. All right guys, there is the finished product. So we've got our PEX lines, our rebar, and our offcuts of the 1/2-inch drip irrigation stuff, holding that down. And then I just used a 6-inch galvanized stake just to hold the ends together like this. So we'll see how it holds up. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and take it easy, everybody.